Okay, so Mr. Ramon, so have you finished the introductory module?
Yes, Miss Susie, I already started with module one and I just
Okay.
finished unit one.
Oh, all right. Yeah,
Yeah, for module one.
right. So actually, it's not too, it doesn't take a long time, right? I mean, you can
Uh,
adjust the study time to your own schedule.
yeah. If you will just give it some time, you'll be able to finish at least one unit. But maybe for some of our colleagues, they're not able to do it because they're busy also working on their
Uh,
other stuff. Yeah, maybe that's the reason why they could not finish it. You really cannot finish it in one sitting. So you will really have to,
oh, yeah.
uh, give it time, maybe one unit perhaps a day or
Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So yeah, one sitting for one unit. Yeah, that will be very good. Yes. And Miss Untari, so you said before that you have also completed a course. Is it right, Miss Untari?
Yes, of course. 5 modules
Oh,
finish.
you have finished 5 modules. What course that you have finished?
Yes.
The title of the course?
English in multilingual classroom.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's okay. So yeah, there are many courses yeah for this period, and then you can also try other courses. And so you chose English in the multilingual classroom. Why did you choose the course? May I know the reason?
Because I like it.
Yeah. Right, and I
Uh,
think it's actually suitable, yeah, because I think in your classroom, just like in Indonesia, we use two languages, right? And maybe three languages. So in our classroom in Indonesia, especially if it's near the rural area, most of the students they still use the local languages, right? Bahasa daerah.
yes.
And they also use national language, Bahasa Indonesia. And of course, if it's English, they also have to use English. So it can be 2 until 3 languages. In your
Yes.
classroom, is it the same like that?
Uh, two language. Just two
Oh, two
language.
languages. Okay,
Yes.
what language do you use then?
What?
What languages do you use in your classroom?
Java and Indonesian.
Okay, Javanese,
Java.
Indonesian, and for English, you also use English, right?
Yes,
Okay,
all right.
so yeah. So actually, yeah, you can use until 3 languages. Okay, thank you. And then yeah, we have Miss Fitri. Hello, Miss Fitri. Good evening. Are you there, Miss Fitri?
Good evening. I'm sorry I cannot open my camera because
Oh, it's all
factually
right.
still I'm not at my home today. But
Oh, okay.
this is my first time joining this kind of courses, and I just what is that, activate the enrollment in British Council,
Oh,
and I don't know what to do factually. So I already got the email from them, and I
okay.
already what is that, download the workbook. But after that, I don't know what
Uh-huh.
should I do. And I asked
Oh,
my
okay.
friend from the same school as me, but they also don't understand about what to do. So yeah, when you share the link, oh, I think this is my what is that, I got a change. to understand like what to do next, like that. So can you please explain to me, Miss, like
Yes.
what should I do?
Yes, of course. Yeah. So tonight it is the session. Yeah. So we will do it together. Okay.
Yeah,
And Miss Jumi.
maybe I cannot
Yes.
finish the meeting until the end because I have like an
Oh, it's all
online
right.
class at 9:30
Oh,
and
yeah, yeah.
19:30. Yeah, because I'm currently teaching in Kampung English as well, but it is
Oh,
online.
really? Oh, it's very
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah. Later we can discuss about Kampung English then, Ibu Fitri. Very
Sure.
interesting.
My
Yeah.
pleasure.
I want
Yeah.
to know more. Okay, thank you, Bu Fitri. Don't worry, I will start again, yeah, about the enrolling the course, okay, and we will start it, okay, in a minute.
Yeah.
But before that, I want to say hello, Miss Jumi, Miss Sri Jumiati. Good evening. Hello, nice to see you again. So, can you access your account now, Miss Sri Jumiati?
We cannot hear your voice, Miss.
Huh? No. Wait, let me check. Okay. How about now? Can you? Oh, you have problem with your microphone. Oh, okay, it's all right. Okay. So, yeah, Miss Jumi, please just type yeah if you need anything, and I will read your chat. Okay. Hello, Miss Najmi. How are you?
Hello, Mrs. Lee.
Okay. So, can you go to your account now, Miss Najmi?
Okay.
Wait, I think your volume is still low, Ibu Najmi. You should increase your volume.
Yes, because I'm not using the phone.
Or is it from mine? Wait. Okay, try again, Miss Najmi. Yeah? Say
Yeah,
something.
I'm
I
typing.
can.
I'm typing the address.
Oh, okay. So now, yeah, I'll start screen sharing in a moment. Okay, before that, hello, Miss Diana. How are you? Good evening.
Good evening. I just arrived home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah,
I came a little bit late.
it's all right. You can sit down first, yeah, and have a drink then.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you
Thank
for
you.
joining us. Now, let me share screen, yeah. So I want to guide you first on how to log in and enroll the course. Okay, I think I have already opened it here. Oh, okay, right. Okay, yeah, so everyone, allow me to share screen first, yeah. So, yeah. First, of course, you have to go to the link, yeah. The link is www.teachingenglish.org.uk. Okay, so for you, please use your laptop if you have one, or you can use your mobile phone. Yeah, it's also okay. You can also use your mobile phone. Okay, now make sure that you have the British Council account. Yeah, and then after you have the account, okay, hello, Miss Nur Aziza. Nice to have you with us. Okay, you have this page and then just click log in, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one log in and then type down, okay, your username or email address or phone number, yeah, just choose one, and then type your password. Okay, and then after that, you have to click login first. Okay, nah, and then let's see. Oh, okay, if you have logged in, you will have the page like this. Here, you will have my account, okay, newsletter, and log out. Yeah, it means that you have already in your account. And then, if you have not enrolled, yeah, so it means you have to go to the courses, yeah. So like this, find the training tab and then click courses. Okay. So ya, Ibu Najmi, Ibu Sri, Ibu Fitri, ya, if you have not yet chosen the courses, you have to go to your page first, log in, and then click training, and then click courses. Ya,
Dede,
okay, and then, ya,
Bu, namanya siapa, Bu?
yes, okay, Ibu Rizka, halo. So we have log in, ya, we click training and courses. And then you can select your course. Okay, so actually for the schedule, yeah, for now, we select digital competences for teaching English. But if you are interested in other themes, you are interested in other titles, is okay, yeah. So, for example, Miss Untari, she's interested in English in the multilingual classroom, yeah, and she can click that as well. Okay, now, Miss Untari, so are you holding your laptop or mobile phone? Okay, now find digital courses, digital competences for learning English, ya. So find that first. Nah, this one, ya, digital competences for teaching English. So in using the modules, you will know the ways to integrate digital tools to support language learning, collaboration, formative assessment, and effective feedback. And you have time until 24 March 2026. Yeah, so you do not have to be worried if tonight you have not finished, tomorrow you have not finished, it's okay. You can continue again. Okay, the deadline is still on 24 March 2026. Yeah. Okay, and then after that, now you click this. You click this and then click enroll. Okay, so if you click enroll, then you can join the course, yeah. Okay, click. After you click this enroll course, then you will find the course in your portfolio, yeah. So you click my portfolio and click courses. Okay, wait, still loading. Okay, now in your courses, you will see the course that you have chosen. Okay. For example, yeah, this one, you click digital competences for teaching English, yes. And then you just click start course. Okay, for me, actually, I have already finished. Yeah, that's why my progress is 100%. But if not, your progress will be based on how many modules you have finished. Yeah. Okay, then we click start course. Nah, okay, after start course, then you will see. Okay, wait. Nah, this one ya. Nah, you will see. So, there are introduction module, and then module 1, module 2, module 3, and this is the resources ya. But what you have to finish is introduction, module 1, module 2, and module 3. Okay, let's start first. Okay, is there any questions? You can speak directly, ya. Oh, hello, Miss Rani. Good evening. And, oh, okay, Bu Fitri, yes. Okay, please. Yes, any questions?
Yeah, so I keep stuck in this step, Miss, factually. So after like this step, we can see that there is a what is that, a sentence that we have to download the workbook.
Oh,
And
okay,
yeah, I
son,
already
yeah.
downloaded and I already what is that, read it, but I don't know what is our
Oh,
duty, what is the assignment of this
here.
course. But my
Yeah.
progress, oh yeah, but my
Nah,
progress is still 1%.
yeah. So you have to click this. Okay, so you click this. This is for unit 1, details. Okay. Have you clicked this, Ibu Fitri?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. You have to click that. You have to
Okay.
click that.
Oh, I see that.
Unit 1, yeah,
Yeah.
and then you have to complete. Now, when you see this, you have to click again, continue.
Oh.
Okay, right. Now, continue, and then you will go to the new page. Okay, wait, still loading.
Oh, maybe I didn't see it thoroughly because I use my mobile phone today, Miss.
Oh,
So
it's
I
okay.
think
You can use your mobile phone, but it seems that it is not loading yet, and then you haven't seen the whole page.
oh yeah, so I think that was happening. So like
Okay,
so I keep thinking like I keep asking myself like what I have to do after that.
okay. So please try again ya, Ibu Fitri. Okay, so
Sure.
later, now when you have when you have come to unit 1, yeah, in introduction, this is what you will see, yeah. You will see this unit 1. So this unit will be about description of teaching English, yes. And then you will also find about how, this one. Okay, so introduction, and then you click this, you go to unit 1, and then you will see this one, yeah. Getting started unit 1. So it will introduce about the teaching English training experiences, yeah. So here, this is the description about the teaching English. Okay, now, and then you have to have the details, you just click. Nah, okay, and then you will see more details. Okay, nah, this is the introduction, and then you just scroll down again, yeah. Okay. Nah, so this is about the reflection, yeah, about the teaching English training experiences. Now you just go down again. This is the video, yeah. If you want to see the video, you can click play, yeah, just like this. But if, for example, your internet is not stable, yeah, and then you cannot see the video, you can just stop and you just go to the transcript, yeah. So do not be worried if you have internet problem or you cannot have the stable internet connection. you cannot play the video, then you just click the video transcript. Yeah. Okay. So you just read from the video transcript. It is about the teaching English training experience. Yeah. So you will get descriptions about what is teaching English from this. And then you can read in detail, or you can just scan, it's okay. And after that, you will see this one. You will see the questions. Now, this question can be answered by reading this. Okay, let's check how many elements. There are 5 elements. Okay, so you can click 5. Yeah, okay, and then click submit. Okay, and then if it's wrong, you can take again. Okay, do not be worried. Okay, and then next one. Now, this question is also referring to the transcript or the video. Yeah. Okay. Let's see which one is the answers. Do you think this one? Yeah. Live events, community. Okay, and then submit again. Okay, so you just keep scroll down, scrolling down. Okay, just going down again. Nah, okay, and then like this, you try to answer, and then submit. Okay, and then after that, this is for the reflection, yeah. So here you do not need to type anything, yeah. This is for the questions. If you want, you can answer the question but not typing. Okay, just write on your notebook, yeah. But if not, you can just skip, yeah. So you can do it faster. And click again, yeah. Nah, and then the second part is about strategies for successful online learning. Okay. Okay. And then just go down. Nah, this one is also the same, yeah. So this is the audio for online learning strategies. So you will have tips about how to do effective online learning. Nah, if you want, and then your internet is okay, you just click the audio, and you can listen. Okay, but if for example, you cannot listen to the audio, you have problem with the internet, or for example, your surrounding, is so noisy, you cannot listen, don't worry. Nah, you have the audio transcript, you just click, and you can read this one. Nah, okay, and then after that, you will have this. The review, so the question, and you just need to click. Okay, and then click submit again. Right. Okay, this one also the same, about online learning strategies. You can click the audio, or you just click the transcript. Nah, it's okay, and then after that, you answer. Okay, and then how if, for example, you have wrong question? Do not be worried. Okay, if you have wrong question, you will see the right answer. Okay, and then after that, just click take again, and then you can try to answer again. Okay, so the answer is this, and let us submit. Okay, correct answer. Okay, and then this is, I think it's already almost the last one, Now, if you have like this, you just click and you will see the details, So, near the end of this unit, you will have the summary of online learning strategies, which are be clear about your goals, prepare your study space, look after yourself, monitor your self-talk, and know where to get help. Okay. Okay, and then in the end of Unit 1, so we are able to reflect on our needs and goals, describe the 5 elements of teaching English training experiences, as well as recognize positive online learning habits. Okay, and then the last one, for the review, you have to get minimal 60%, right? This one, 60%. So you have to do the questions again. Oh, for me, I have already finished,
That's
Okay.
already 100.
Yeah, because I've already done it. But actually, we can try, so that you can see how is this. Nah, we just click take again. Nah, okay. For example, this one, the review. Let's check. Take again. Nah, it is actually based on the questions that have been given to us. Okay. For example, check out your understanding of PIDs in interactive activities in core modules. Okay, let's check. Yeah, okay, correct. And then next one. You can attend. Which one is it? Live events, so the review is like this, it's multiple choice. And then you can see the answer, the explanation for the answers here. And then next. Okay, and then you can interact, in the community. Okay, submit. And then next. Note IDs and find extra learning resources in. Okay, for example, workbook. Okay, but how if, for example, it is wrong? For example, you click this. Okay, it's supposed to be workbook, but we click this. Okay, and then let's check. Oh, incorrect, but it's okay. If it's incorrect, you just click next first, and let's see. Oh, okay, it's 75, and you are not happy with this. Oh, you can take again, So for this one, for example, we just repeat again. Okay. Like this, So the review is not difficult, because actually you can repeat it again. Okay. Thank you, Miss Fitri. Oh, yes. And then, yes, Ibu Fitri, any questions?
Is there any specific time to do this course, Miss? I mean, like a
No.
specific schedule, or we can do it like in our flexible time, like
Yes, correct. You can do it based on your own schedule. So
okay.
so if you cannot finish it today, it's okay. You can still finish it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But the deadline is 24 March 2026, So if just finish it before that deadlines,
Okay, thank you, Miss. And I'm so sorry, I want to permit because it's already
it's
my
okay.
time to take my
Yes.
online class. And I would like to say thank you because finally I can open my eyes now for doing the enrolling. I mean, like for the enrollment in the course. Thank you very much, Miss. I'm sorry, I have to
Welcome.
laugh.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Okay, thank you
Okay, thank you,
again.
everyone. See you
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Okay, good luck. Yeah. Okay, good luck with your online course. Okay, and then let's see. This one is supposed to be workbook, right? Okay. Right. Okay, so we have finished the introduction module. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, now let's go to the next module, yeah, everyone. Now, after you have completed the introduction, yeah, you click this back. And then you go back again to this page, yeah. You can see, yeah, later your progress will add, yeah. So based on the units that you have completed, then your progress will add, or the green one will increase. And then please check your status, yeah. So you have to check your status is completed. And then after that, you go to the next module. Okay. This is the module 1. Okay, let's see together. Yeah, we still have 27 minutes. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, Miss Rani. Okay, we have Miss Rizka. Okay, good evening. Okay, Miss Rani. So,
Yes.
have you, yeah,
I
do
haven't.
you have your account, British Council account?
Yes, I have because
Okay.
before I joined kelas kreatif and what is it? Aku bisa joining with
Oh,
British
okay.
Council. It is the
Right.
second time for me to join British Council again.
Oh,
I signed and but I haven't start yet because
oh,
it's
okay.
much to do. Many
It's
things to
okay.
do at the school this week.
Oh, yeah, it's okay, Bu. So you still
But
have time until
yes, but
24
I
March.
will.
Yeah.
Okay, but I will do my best, Miss. When I have some free
Okay.
time. Okay.
Yes. And can you enroll the course?
Yeah. I have enrolled it
Oh, okay.
for 24% maybe.
Oh, 24%. Okay. So you
Yeah.
are in module 1 now?
Yeah, still in module 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the same with Mr. Ramon then. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Uh, how about the webinar that held before? Because the two webinars I didn't attend because
Oh, it's okay.
because on 28th, yeah, and on 28th
Oh,
it
yeah.
is my journey to come back to Cianjur from meeting with
Oh,
client.
Cianjur.
Yeah,
Uh,
I was in Jakarta from uh morning to midnight, so I couldn't attend the webinar.
yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
So
so I
later
lost
we
my
will have,
certificate.
it's okay. Later on the 10th of February and also 20th of February, we will have other webinars from British
Oh, yeah.
Council.
Okay. Oh, Miss,
Yes?
pardon me. On 28th, it is a seminar just like what date?
Oh, yeah. So we will share the leaflet, yeah, just like yesterday, just like previous webinar. So
Mm-hmm.
later on 10
10th
February
February.
and yes, and 20 February, we will have webinars from British Council.
Oh,
And our
so
team, yeah,
Mhm.
will share the leaflets in the WhatsApp
okay,
group,
okay.
Elevate.
I get it. I get it. If I'm not mistaken, that 28 webinar is just it's not the usual webinar, right? It's only just like this. Is it
Oh,
correct?
the
Is it correct on
28 is
28?
I mean the previous, yeah.
Yeah, the previous.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
what
The
kind of
previous
webinar
one,
was that?
yeah. The webinar is actually still from British Council,
Mhm.
but the webinar is held by Elevate, yeah, by Elevate and with the Vietnam institutions.
Okay.
So we have a webinar, we have global webinar from British Council,
Mhm.
and then in February we will also have one webinar from Elevate and the Vietnam institution, Vietnamese
Okay.
institutions, yeah.
Okay.
So
So
later we will share the leaflet, yeah.
okay. So then I miss one webinar, right?
Oh, actually two.
Oh,
Because
two.
before that in January, we have the webinar on 20 January and 28th of January.
I see. I lost two certificates because I need
But it's okay.
I need to what is it for uh my degree, my master
Oh,
degree. I should submit to international webinar certificate. So
oh,
I think British Council is the international one of
yes.
international webinar, right?
Yeah, yes.
Ah, okay, okay.
International, yeah. And
Uh,
the webinar from Elevate is also international because the certificate is also from British Council.
okay, thank you. It's helped me a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, thank
Yes.
you for the
Thank you.
explanation.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Rani.
You're
Okay, now
welcome.
let's go back again. Module 1, yeah, the module 1 is like this, yeah. So you click module 1, and then you will see 3 units. Nah, the same steps, everyone, yeah. You click the details like this, yeah. And here in the first unit, we will learn about the teaching and learning in a digital context, yeah. So here we will see, yeah, in the beginning is a diagram. Oh, wait, still loading. And yeah, for this course, yeah, you can use laptop, but you can also use mobile phone, yeah, or cell phone. Okay, let's see. So here in this unit 1, we will learn about how digital technologies can be used in the English language teaching classroom, yeah. And we also see how to implement the digital technologies, and then what are the strategies for combining digital and communicative competences in the English language classrooms, as well as about strategies for developing digital competences related to mediation and reformulation. Yeah. Okay, nah, the step is we click again this one, yeah. Okay, continue. And then we will go to unit 1. Hey, wait, it's still loading. Hey, wait. Wait, still loading. Oh, yes. Okay, let's see. Do we have Ibu Puspita here? Oh, Ibu Puspita, Ibu Rizka ya? Okay. Hello, Ibu Rizka Puspita.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Good
Yes.
evening. Good evening. Yes,
Good
good
evening.
evening.
Yeah. So can you join the course?
Actually, I am late to join the Zoom, the information, but
Okay.
and I haven't tried to enroll also because I still using the mobile phone. So
Yeah, it's okay.
I miss the information like that. So I think that I will what is that? I will learning from the information this first, and after that
Oh,
maybe I wanna try to enroll the course, ma'am.
okay. Oh yeah, Bu Rizka, you can use mobile phone. You can access
Okay.
the course on mobile phone. Yeah. So you can just use mobile phone. And do you have the British Council account?
Yeah, still joining the first
Oh,
this group. Yeah, the Elevate group. I tried to make the account. Yeah, and then I
okay.
have joined the first webinar also, but the second webinar I miss
Oh,
the time.
no. It's okay. So Ibu Rizka, please make the British Council account first, yeah. So you go to
Yes, I have made.
www.
I have made my account in British
Oh,
Council, mom.
okay,
Actually.
right. And then from the account, then
Mm-hmm.
find training. Click training and then click
Mm-hmm.
courses, and then
Okay.
find
Training course.
courses.
Okay, I did it.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You try to find digital competences for teaching English and then click enroll. Yeah, okay, try that first,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
right. And in the
Thank
meantime,
you, ma'am.
you're welcome. Okay, and now in the meantime, I will show you about Unit 1, yeah. And then after that, we will go to Unit 2. Okay. Okay, so if you use laptop or if you use mobile phone, okay, so you just have to be patient, yeah, because the loading takes like 30 until 60 seconds, yeah. Okay, nah, you go scroll down, yeah, the
Man,
first, yes, yeah, Ibu.
yeah, sorry, I want to ask you actually when I messaged you 2 days ago,
Yeah.
yeah, when I
Uh,
asked you how to enroll my courses, um,
mhm.
I don't know how to say that because I tried to click everything, then I have 2 courses in my course.
Oh,
So
it's okay. It's
is it
okay, yeah.
okay if I don't do it?
Okay.
Is it okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay. You can have as many courses as you can.
I thought
The
it's
more
only
the
for
better.
yeah, I know because our class is only for digital competencies. So I have
Oh,
clicked climate action in language education. So is it okay
yeah.
that if
It's
I don't do it?
Is it okay? Yes. This is okay. So actually, you can also click another course, yeah, aside from digital competences for teaching English. But for the facilitating class, yeah, I will focus only on one.
Oh,
But
okay.
for you, yeah, you can choose other courses
Yeah,
because, yeah,
when I messaged you that day, I tried to click everything that it's
yeah,
appear
it's
in my
okay.
courses. I don't know how to get back or
No,
erase
no,
it.
no, it's okay.
So
You
it's
don't
okay.
need to erase. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So for Elevate, we will schedule like one course for several weeks, and then we will choose again another course. Yeah. But for you, if you can do like more than one course, 2 or 3 courses, it's okay. So the more the better. Okay, very good. Yeah, Miss Sri, yeah, Miss Yumi. Okay, now, yeah. So you will have explanation about the digital technologies in the language classroom, And then after that, you have the diagrams, yeah, okay. And for this, you can click, yeah, if you want. But if not, you can just go again, scroll down. Now for this, the same, yeah, just like in introduction, you can click the audio, listen to audio, or you can click the transcript. And then you should answer the questions, yeah. For this is not multiple question, but you have to choose 3 answer, yeah. So for example, okay, let's second. Nah, click like this, yeah. Okay, and then submit. Oh, okay, and then it's wrong. Okay, if it's wrong, then we can take again. Yeah. Okay, so you do not need to be worried, yeah. So you can click again. Click again the right answer and submit. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We should click again. Okay, this one to motivate, to make the topics, and to teach his learners some digital skills. Okay. Correct, yeah. Okay, and then after that, you just go again, and then if you find some questions, answer the questions, yeah. Answer the question and then submit. Okay, we need to go to module 2, yeah. So here I will just show you. Okay, and then this one is part 2, yeah. This is about mediation. So mediation is like how we can use digital resources, yeah, so that we can mediate students in completing some assignments. Yes, okay. So mediation is, for example, if we use some digital tools that can help us to learn the language. It's called as mediation. Sorry.
Not mediation.
No, it's not mediation. Mediation is like this. This one. One of your learners missed a lesson where you explain a new topic, and you ask one of the learners in the class to share their notes with their classmate and explain the key points in a short phone conversation. So when you use like short phone conversation to help them to learn, then this is the mediation. Okay, like this. Okay, and then, okay, we can skip, yeah, some questions. Right, okay. So like this, yeah, try to answer all. You have to answer all. And if it's wrong, you can try again. Do not be worried. Okay. You just scroll, keep on scrolling, yeah. 3 or 5, it means that you have to finish until 5, yeah. If you want to complete everything. If like this, you can just click and you can see the details. Okay, presenting information in a different format. What does it mean? And then just click, yeah. Okay, again, this one you can have the audio or audio transcript. Okay, again, right. Okay. Okay, this one 4 or 5. Yeah, this is mean the fourth section. Okay, and then the last one, it will be the review. Okay, for the review, we have to pass 60%. Yeah, if you have 60% or more, then you have passed. Okay, and then, okay. 9 more minutes. Okay, I think I have to skip first. Yeah, okay. Now I want to show you the module 2. Okay. Hello, Miss Jade. Nice to see you again. Miss Jade is from
Yes, nice to
Vietnam.
see you. I'm from Vietnam.
Yes. Nice
My
to see
hometown
you.
is very beautiful and warmly welcome everyone come to my hometown, Hạ Long City, Hạ Long Bay,
Ha Long
Vietnam.
Bay. Oh, yeah. Yes. Here we have Miss Rizka. Okay, Miss Rizka, do you want to say something to Miss Jade?
Yes,
Hey, Miss Jade, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Or yesterday I attend our lesson yesterday. It made me very interested in your presentation. I learned many interesting things from the Scott and from Oracle. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Miss Jade. Welcome.
Thank you, Jade.
And Miss Jade, so have you completed the online course?
Yep, I
Digital
have
competency
completed
course?
module 1 and module 2.
Oh,
I'm going to unit 3.
oh, okay, very good.
My target to get 73% in this
Ah,
course.
oh, right. Okay, very nice.
Yes.
So you can finish, I think, tomorrow, yeah, or maybe this week, yeah. Okay,
Yep, I
very
trust
good.
my best.
Okay, right. Now I want to show to everyone about the module 2, yeah. So for module 2, the focus is on formative assessment and feedback, yeah, related to digital competences. And then there are 3 units. The first
3.
one is about integrating formal assessment. The second one is about collecting and analyzing evidence. And then unit 3 in giving and receiving feedback. The step is the same, yeah. We just click details and we can start doing the modules. Oh, wait, I'm still uploading. Okay, Miss Jade, maybe you can share with us. So what did you learn from module 2 regarding the assessment?
Yes, I learned many interesting things from the module 1 and 2. From unit 1, I know how to assessment for the kids as primary school, in the secondary school, or in high school. And I think when I see the module 2 in unit 2 or unit 1, I can imagine that some activity I can adapt in my lesson at school. And sometimes I think I yield to this some technique or some digital sources for my class at school, but I don't know the name. But now when I study this course, I know the name of this activity or some digital resources. I use this for my lessons. And when I use some assessment for my student, especially for individual assessment, and self assessment and peers assessment, is very important for the each teacher. In my opinion, when I have a self assessment for kids, when I can know what happened to the student and what they need to have from the teacher, and I know how to help them, and I will prepare for the next lesson, and I know what when I prepare a new lesson, I have an objective, and I know what student need to do, and I will give some question, very, very simple for them, and encourage them um, how to solve this their problem they are getting. And peer assessment is very interesting and very important for the teacher. If they let students work in pair or work in a big groups, it helps students to help each other, and they know what is a lower text or high text for them. It's very important, and I think assessment very, very important. a teacher can have assessment during the lesson, not only at the end of a lesson or at the end of the
Oh,
term.
yes. Right. Yeah, so you mean the formative assessment? Yeah, yes, I
Yeah.
agree with you.
Yeah.
And do you use digital tools for your peer assessment?
Yes, I have some tool. I will use the tool Kahoot and Quizy or some
Kahoot,
Flickr. Yeah, and sometimes I use Flickr. If the classroom they don't have a unstable internet, I can use Flickr to help students to assess our lesson. I give 5 questions in each activity for kids, and when they learn and they can answer the question based on the Flickr cards.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but sometime many years ago during the COVID-19 pandemics, I used to use Kahoot or Quizy to have a lesson, online lesson to help them, and I know how to encourage students to do their ability in English, and I think um, it's very interesting for kids, and they are very interested in attending this
Yes,
quiz.
yes. Yeah. Yeah, now Quizzes is named as Wayward. Yeah, so
Yeah.
the application has the new name. Yeah. Okay. So you have shared with us about the assessment. Yeah. So like this,
Yeah.
actually, there are many different types of assessment, and you have mentioned about the formative assessment, which is the ongoing assessment. Yeah. And then about peer assessment. Yes.
Yeah.
So it's also very important to have peer assessment. And here we also have, for example, the digital resources. It will be this one, yeah, the next one. Yeah, and Miss Jade said that for the digital resources, she has used digital quizzes. Yeah, it means, for example, like Kahoot, and also the quizzes are now Wayward. Yeah, and then we can also use like digital polls and surveys, as well as interactive presentation tools. Yes. Okay. So yeah, it will be very interesting. Later you can also share with us, especially the practice that you have done in your classroom, Miss Jane. It will be very interesting for other teachers, yeah, and we can learn from you. We can learn from each other.
Yep.
Okay, so here, wait, I think I have the chat. Sorry. Oh, okay, no. Oh, Ibu Puspita. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, later we can give you the recording. Okay, and then we have the last part, yeah, is always the review. Ibu Puspita, do you have any questions about, for example, how to enroll the activity, or about how to do the modules? I have shown you the module 1 and also the module 2. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. For the first, I'm so happy, Mom, because finally I can enroll the course
Oh,
after I have
Alhamdulillah.
I can enroll the course, and I try to find the introduction first. I just read it, and maybe
Okay.
later on I wanna try to finish it. But I have a question. Can we finish the course until it is 100% in each part,
Yes,
so
of
we
course.
can get the certificate, or
Yes.
we will get the certificate about that?
Yes. So, Ibu Puspita, you have to finish all the modules. So, for example, for introduction, yeah, I suggest that you not only read that, yeah, for example, you go to introduction unit 1, the details. I suggest that you keep on scrolling until you have finished. If you have finished, then you will have the percentage, yeah. So not
Oh,
just
yes,
reading
yes.
that, okay, but keep on scrolling until you go to now this one, yeah, like this, for example. For example, if you are in unit 1, yeah, so don't just read that, but you keep on scrolling until you go to the last part until you can see this one, the quiz. So if you have finished the
Oh,
review, then
okay.
you finish this unit, yeah, and you will see how many percent complete. And when you have finished, yeah,
Okay.
this quiz results, you go back again and you can do another unit, yeah. So you just try to do the questions until you go to the review, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for the information. After this, I will try to finish it.
Yeah. And the deadline, you still have the deadline until 24 March 2026, yeah. The deadline is
Okay.
24 March. Okay. Okay,
Maybe
thank
at least
you.
before Ramadan, I have to finish it, yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah, we hope
we have
so.
to focus.
Yeah, because we will go to another course.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mom, for the
Okay.
information.
Yes, you're welcome. Okay. Oh, it's already 8, yeah. It's already 8, and then I have shown you module 1 and module 2, yeah. And tomorrow I can see you again, yeah, module 3. Later I will update you, yeah, what time we can see each other again. But before that, let's have wait, I think I have to stop share first. Right. Okay, let's have a photo group together. Okay, Mr. Ahmad, I've already open. Yeah, okay. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, okay. Right. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, and tomorrow I hope I can see you again, and I will
Thank you. Thank
yeah,
you so
and
much, and see you tomorrow.
I will give you the info tomorrow, yeah. The same
Thank
link.
you,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Sorry.